Good morning, everybody. Mark Sullins from AM Pressure Washing, and lo and behold, look what I have laying here on the table. Oh, it's a J. Rothenstein 32-inch rotary brush. So this is the brush that I did a video on the other day. I put the ball valve on the end. So the only thing I'm missing is my splash guard, which it is ordered. So the day that I become a full-time distributor for J. Rothenstein, I ordered my splash guard. The splash guard is nice. Compared to the other brushes out there, some of them click on. This one actually goes over the shaft with a washer and a locking nut. It tightens up onto it, and that way it secures the splash guard to the brush and it's not going to be popping off or anything like that. But like I've told you on these brushes, they're universal. So you can run it this way, or you can flip it and you can run it this way. One way brings the water back, the other way will push the water forward. So as it collects all the water to the center, all the dirty water to the center, you can push it or you can pull it, either which way you flip the brush. The splash guard is universal as well. You can flip the splash guard from either which side you decide you want to run the brush. Now this one is the 39 footer. But you see how I can wrap my hands around them? For all you little people, Jennifer Pratt, not making fun of you, but Jennifer's a little girl. She can put her hands around this and she can handle it, and you still got 39 foot of pole. I'll include the price for the complete setup. The rotary brush, the splash guard, the ball valve, and the 39 foot pole. If you decide you want a shorter pole, you can take some of these sleeves off. If you decide you want a bigger pole, we can add sleeves or get you the bigger pole. They are universal. So we can make this happen for you. Love the brush. I love the 32 inch compared to the 39 inch. I have no cons on this. Everything is pro on this brush. You got the metal housing transmission. You got the gear reduction transmission inside the brush that is all metal gears. Love this brush. Love it so much. That's why I am the J. Rothenstein distributor. So all right, everybody, let me get this posted. I'm gonna get you the prices and we'll have it out to you soon. All right, everybody, have a good day. Bye.